Hey there, foodies and flavor enthusiasts, ready to dive into the amazing world of olive oils. Join us in unlocking the magic of olive oils, the 5 types. Let's get this flavor party started. Number 5. Lampante Olive Oil. Processing and quality. Lampante is an Italian word that translates to lamp oil in English. Historically, Lampante olive oil was used as fuel for oil lamps and was not intended for consumption due to its poor quality. This type of olive oil is made from olives of low quality or those that have undergone improper harvesting, storage, or processing methods. Quality and characteristics. Lampante olive oil has a high level of acidity and often contains undesirable flavors and aromas. It lacks the characteristic taste and aroma of high-quality olive oils. It is generally considered unfit for human consumption due to its poor quality and potential health risks. Health considerations. Due to its low quality and the potential for improper handling during processing, Lampante olive oil is not recommended for consumption. The high acidity and undesirable flavors make it unsuitable for culinary use. Number 4. Olive Pomace Oil. Processing and quality. Olive Pomace Oil is produced using a different extraction process than traditional cold pressing methods. After the initial pressing of olives for virgin and extra virgin olive oils, there is still some oil remaining in the pomace, the leftover olive pulp and pits. This residual oil is extracted using solvents and heat. The resulting oil is then refined to remove impurities and residual solvents. Uses. One of the key advantages of olive pomace oil is its relatively high smoke point. It can withstand higher cooking temperatures without breaking down and producing smoke. As a result, it is often chosen for deep frying, pan frying, and other high-heat cooking methods. It's also used in industrial food processing due to its neutral flavor. Health considerations. Olive pomace oil contains some of the monounsaturated fats found in olive oil, making it a source of healthier fats. However, because of the extraction and refining processes, it may have lower levels of antioxidants and other beneficial compounds compared to higher quality olive oils. Number 3. Pure olive oil. Refined olive oil. Processing and quality. Pure olive oil is a blend of refined olive oil and either virgin or extra virgin olive oil. The refining process involves several steps to remove impurities and undesirable flavors from the oil. These impurities can include free fatty acids, color compounds, and any residual particles from the olives. The refined olive oil is then blended with virgin or extra virgin olive oil to enhance its flavor and color. Flavor and aroma. Pure olive oil has a relatively mild and neutral flavor compared to virgin or extra virgin olive oils. The refining process removes many of the compounds responsible for the characteristic olive oil flavors and aromas. While it lacks the complexities of higher quality olive oils, its mild taste makes it suitable for dishes where a more subtle oil flavor is desired. Uses. Pure olive oil is often chosen for cooking methods that involve higher temperatures. Its smoke point is higher than that of virgin and extra virgin olive oils, which makes it more suitable for frying, sautéing, and baking. It's also used in recipes where the flavor of the oil is not a dominant factor, such as in baked goods and some types of cooking sauces. Health considerations. Pure olive oil retains some of the monounsaturated fats that are characteristic of olive oil and can offer heart-healthy benefits. However, due to the refining process, it may contain fewer antioxidants and other beneficial compounds present in virgin and extra virgin olive oils. Number 2. Virgin olive oil. Processing and quality. Virgin olive oil is also produced through the cold pressing of olives. Similar to extra virgin olive oil, it does not undergo any chemical treatments or high heat processes. The main difference between virgin and extra virgin olive oil lies in the acidity level. While extra virgin olive oil must have an acidity level of 0.8 or lower, virgin olive oil can have a slightly higher acidity, up to 2. Flavor and aroma. The flavor and aroma of virgin olive oil are milder compared to extra virgin olive oil. While it may still exhibit some of the characteristic fruity and herbaceous notes of olives, these flavors are generally less pronounced. The aroma is less intense as well. Health benefits. Virgin olive oil shares many of the health benefits associated with extra virgin olive oil. It contains monounsaturated fats, which are heart healthy, and also contains antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. While the specific content of these compounds might be slightly lower compared to extra virgin olive oil, virgin olive oil is still a nutritious option. Number 1. Extra virgin olive oil, EVOO. Processing and quality. EVOO is produced from the first cold pressing of olives, meaning the oil is extracted without the use of heat or chemicals. This gentle processing method helps preserve the oil's natural flavors, aromas, and beneficial compounds. To be classified as extra virgin, the oil must meet specific chemical and sensory criteria. The acidity level, free fatty acid content, is one of the key indicators of quality, with a maximum of 0.8 allowed for EVOO. Additionally, the oil is evaluated for taste and aroma by certified tasters to ensure its high-quality attributes. Uses. EVOO is best appreciated when used in its purest form, without high heat cooking. Its delicate flavors and beneficial compounds are best preserved when used for drizzling over salads, vegetables, or bread, or as a finishing touch to cook dishes. It's also commonly used for making vinaigrettes, marinades, and dips. Due to its low smoke point, around 375 degf or 190 degs, it's not recommended for deep frying or prolonged high heat cooking. Health benefits. EVOO is lauded for its potential health benefits. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is associated with heart health. It also contains antioxidants, including vitamin E and phenolic compounds, which have been linked to various health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a great day.